Anyone who's recently been following me on social media really will know that I've been trying out the new Bing plus ChatGPT or Ask Bing through Bing, so through the new chat-based Bing, and Microsoft just recently announced the new extensions to Edge, which have now Chat, Compose, and Insights. I think this can be a really easy way for you to help in create content curation and content creation. So I'm actually gonna just try it out. So I have here an article on Duzen on Sitecore. I can just write what my article should be about. So I'll say I want an article about Sitecore XM Cloud. Let's say I have a writer's block right now and I want some ideas. I can choose the length, whether I want short, medium, or long. I'll just choose short for now. And I'll just wait for the Microsoft Edge to create some content for me. As I can see here, it's creating some ideas around Sitecore XM Cloud. What if I want it to actually generate a full blog post around it? Let's try that as well. You'll see here it's writing it also in markup. So this is pretty cool because having it in markup makes it much easier to copy into content. However, of course, if you know Horizon or Pages don't really work with markup right now, but I think again it's a great start anyway. Like all I can do is as soon as it's done, I can click add to site and it's going to add it directly to my article page here on XM Cloud. So on Duzen in this scenario. So I can see here it's created an article that says XM Cloud is a cloud-based platform that enables you to create, manage, and deliver engaging web content across multiple channels and devices. You'll see here some of the content is not accurate, of course. So Sitecore XM Cloud is part of the Sitecore Experience platform, which also includes Sitecore Experience Database and Sitecore Experience Commerce. It's a bit old because we know, of course, that the content it's getting is based on ChatGPT, which is much older. So again, it's a good start. It wouldn't be used for something like that. It might be used for, let's say we have Black History Month. So why don't I write something about Black History Month here and see what it can generate for me. And I'll just update my article to be Black History Month. Again, you'll easily realize that as it's creating content, the content itself is usually very naive, very basic, things that you might find on Wikipedia or you might find through searches. Yes, it's generating new content, but it's not creative. It's not creating content that is in any way unique. The way I usually think it might be useful is more of ideation than actual content creation. So it might give you some great ideas if you have a writer's block, and then you need to think about what to write rather than rely on it as your writer. So again, I can just do that, or I can just click on here, empty everything out, and just say add to site, and it's going to add it for me here, and I can just format it if I want to. And there you have it. We can also create a paragraph for my summary at the top here. I'll say a short summary, and I can just add it to my experience here. So this is, again, I'll just take this and copy it into my summary here. But again, this is one of 3 features that Microsoft Edge now has. There you have, of course, your chat, which is Bing Chat, so you can ask it questions. So for example, get me some ideas on ways to create engaging employee experience content around Black History Month. And it's going to again go and get you these ideas. One thing as well, the last part of these 3 Discover tabs that are new here is Insights. And this is really, as you search for things, it can give you other suggestions of similar pages and some information about pages as well. So again, it's some features that Microsoft is trying to help you in your content journey and content curation.